Hi, my name's Amy.
And my name is Michael. And together we've been debating for 1.5 years.
Our experience in this tournament so far has been great. I think we've been having a lot of fun and we've been learning a lot, preparing a lot. And yeah, I just can't wait to learn from this tournament and get experience.
Our winning strategy here is just to win, do well in crosses, have good speeches, and that's basically it. I plan to go up until doubles, hopefully, in this tournament.
Or maybe even further. Yeah.
I think we won. We did well in cross because they didn't have many questions.
I think we won basically off of impacts because they had one impact and then they never extended it throughout the debate. So they completely dropped their C1 and C2, so I think that's why we won.
So who was the judge?
It was a parent judge.
Yeah, parent judge.
She was more like on your side?
Yeah.
We don't really know because she said that she'll look over the notes and then vote. So, yeah, I'm not sure.
Your argument and speech was stronger than the other.
Yeah, we think so.
Alright, so I hope you guys won, and the next one is well.
Thank you.
I hope so too.
What's your record so far?
So our record so far is 3-0.
And how do you guys feel about it?
So far we've been doing really well.
What's been going well?
I think we did well in cross examinations and just overall having evidence prepared.
What about you?
I agree, but I think we can do better, specifically like frontlining and like focus. When we don't have time and we're like speed reading it, I think we like condense some items that are redundant sometimes.
Okay. And how do you feel about going into today's tournament?
I feel good going into today's tournament. I feel like we can win. I'm confident in that.
And what about you?
I think we can win.
Perfect. What happened?
So I think we lost because the judge didn't believe in the probability of nuclear war, and they also didn't consider our impact of humanitarian aid, even though we extended.
Yeah, because we had two impacts. One was nuclear war, and we had three actually: nuclear war, global war, and losing humanitarian aid. And they only focused on the nuclear war part, even though we said like magnitude outweighs any probability. So I think that's why we lost the round.
Okay. What can you do better next time?
I think definitely in cross-examination, I feel like I could have cleared up that more instead of just like sitting there. So yeah, I think that's what I could do better personally.
Do you guys think you made your impact clear?
So I think in my case, our impact was pretty clear.
Yeah.
But throughout the entire debate, I feel like we like kind of dropped it. Not necessarily drop it, we just didn't like explain it clearly enough later in the debate. So I think that's why.
Okay. You guys still win the next one, right?
Yeah, we still.
Perfect.
Congrats, guys. Congratulations. Hey, okay, you did a great job. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I didn't expect that you guys make this one. You're going to be the champion. Okay, we'll be the champion. Where's another one? Charles.
Charles, you already.
Okay, anyway. Look how smart Mike is, huh? So proud of them. Okay, let's go. Michael, stand up. They made it. So they won from triple round.